This is my 1962 BSA A10 Scrambler. I built this out of a box of parts this past season to do AHRMA racing in Premier Open Twin class. This bike has a few modifications from stock. This was actually originally a Super Rocket that I kept all the Super Rocket parts if I want to restore it back to stock someday. But this currently has an SRM oil pump, B50 front end with Race Tech emulators, work shocks in the back, Bob Newby belt drive, 10-to-1 high compression pistons, and it's still running off of its original K2F magneto. I'll start it up for you guys and give you a walk around.